What's up, world? It's your girl Dejanne back with another recipe. Today I will be showing you how to make some baked salmon, snap peas, and a caprese salad. It's delicious. Let's check it out. Okay, first we're going to start with our homemade balsamic vinaigrette. It's just a half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of balsamic vinegar. We're going to mix that together, chop 2 cloves of garlic, and we're going to put in some Dejanne mustard that I did off camera by accident, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up. Okay, next we're going to slice up about 15 to 20 things of some grape tomatoes, and we're going to add it to the bowl. Put in your mozzarella after you rinse it off, and then we're going to add some basil. I got my basil fresh from my garden. We're going to chop that up and add that right to your mixture. Go ahead and add in your balsamic vinaigrette, and then sit it in the refrigerator to cool. I have my 2-pound salmon here with the skin on because I want to get nice and crispy. I like crispy salmon skin. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top and brush it so it can coat evenly around the whole skin of the salmon. And I have my thyme on the side, which we're going to add that also. We're going to add some salt, pepper, garlic, some lemon pepper if you like. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Make sure your pan is nice and hot before you add the salmon, so this way the skin can start to crisp up. You gotta put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Here I'm just slicing it up so I can already have it portioned off so it can fit into my pan. Here we have 2 tablespoons of butter in a wok, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. We're gonna dice up and add some garlic, about 3 cloves worth. And we're going to let that cook and saute a bit in the pan. Okay, after your garlic is cooked down some, go ahead and add your snap peas and let this cook for about 10-15 minutes until you like it. Some people like them soggy, some people like them a little extra crispy. So whatever's good for you. And once it's done, you'll take it out of the oven, plate it, put your caprese salad on, put your snap peas, add a little basil for some garnish, and bon appetit. I hope you guys enjoy it. I definitely did. If you decide to make it, please leave a comment below. Let me know how it came out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Show your girl some love. Thanks for hanging with Dejanne.